Leeway WNS type oil or gas-fired boilers have advanced design, patented technology, and leading product performance in China. A typical threaded smoke pipe is used as a heat transfer element. The corrugated furnace is used as the combustion chamber. Adopting advanced 3-pass heat transfer structure. Adopting wide-back structure will ensure safe and reliable operation. Pre-expansion process is adapted to prevent crack of tube plate. Adding a water separator between the second and third passes. Adding a water separator to accomplish counter-current heat exchange between flue gas and boiler water. The flue gas temperature of the outlet of the third pass can be decreased from 217 degrees Celsius to 196 degrees Celsius with a water separator. Take 10 tons per hour boiler as an example. The flue gas temperature is reduced by 21 degrees Celsius and 8.1 cubic meters of natural gas can be saved per hour. This technology has obtained the National Utility Model Patent. The third pass adapts large diameter smoke pipe. The pipe diameter was increased from 57 mm to 108 mm. The back pressure of the boiler is reduced by 250 pascals after the pipe diameter is increased. This technology also obtained the National Utility Model Patent. Smoke chamber door adapts 3 layers of heat preservation, double sealing structure, which can ensure good heat preservation and sealing effect. The surface temperature of the smoke chamber is controlled below 40 degrees Celsius. The end of the boiler is equipped with a special condensate water drainage device. Second heat transfer of flue gas through condenser can improve thermal boiler efficiency. The condenser adapts spiral fin tube structure, and the material is corrosion-resistant steel. Leeway boilers have advanced structure and excellent performance. Orders are welcome.